We've been in conversation with Professor Amit Geffen, a former president of the European Pressure Ulcer Advisory Panel and Professor of Biomedical Engineering at Tel Aviv University. Professor Geffen shares with us some of the latest research he's carried out into the underlying causes of pressure ulcers, and in particular the role, as we now understand it, of friction and the associated shearing.
When our body is weight-bearing, cells are distorted and deformed. As cells are distorted and deformed, they change their function. They actually lose functionality and lose viability over time. What we would like to do is to minimize the exposure of cells and tissues to sustained distortion and deformations.
So why is deformation caused by compression and shearing so harmful?
Deformation is a cell killer. If we minimize the exposure of cells and tissues to deformations, to sustain deformations, we provide protection.
So how are patients exposed to cell deformation in real-life situations?
When someone is lying in bed, tending to slide down in the bed as a result, for example, of someone elevating the head of the bed, and when gravity pulls the body down and the person is sliding, the heels are trying to keep contact with the bed but are dragged down the bed as gravity acts. The forces, which are in fact the frictional forces that distort the tissues as this process takes place, are damaging the cells, are compromising their viability. And so if we minimize those forces, if we control them, if we mitigate these effects of friction, we protect the tissues of the heel.
Thank you.